share, everyone share, invite a friend to invite a friend. Good afternoon, good night, good morning. You're welcome. Share. Bano abasajja twali twava ku social media. I repeat, twali twava ku social media. Naye project bano abasajja gye bagezaako okuyisaawo, okugezaako okumalamu abaana amaanyi n'okuyimiriza enkyukakyuka. We shall not sit back and watch. We shall not sit back and watch. I repeat, we shall not sit back and watch. This business of threatening Ugandans, we shall not sit back and watch. It doesn't matter whether we lose lives, whether we lose family members, whether we lose everybody, it does not matter. Because at the end of the day, as long as we are standing for the truth, we shall stand up for the truth and we shall speak the truth. And we shall not allow anybody to make okutusirisa emimwa obutwogera amazima. Muwulira, ekimala basajjamu ekimala. Temugenda kujja na diversion ya President Museveni nti abaabise President Museveni be balina ekizibu kya Uganda. Temugenda kuvaayo okugamba nti no Frederick Lumbuye n'abaana abalala babadde boogera ku internet kyekizibu kya Uganda. Uganda mugikulembedde emyaka 35, 35 solid years. You're telling us that intellectual reasoning, but the time of idiocy has ended. What kind of nonsense are you speaking about? Do you know even the word you're using, that idiocy? Between the NRM and NUP and other political parties, which political party in Uganda has displayed the highest level of idiocy? The highest level of idiocy. Do you know what we call idiocy? Mumanyi kye tuyita idiocy. Nze bwe ndaba nga abakyala bafa mu malwaliro, that is the highest level of idiocy. Bwe ndaba nga abantu bafiira enjala mu mayumba, that is the highest level of idiocy. Bwe ndaba nga enguudo tezizimbiddwa, that is the highest level of idiocy. Bwe tulabanga esente z'abalwadde zibbibwa, there are no cylinders in hospitals, that is idiocy. And you're telling us mbuna etteeka lyayise, mateeka ameka e Uganda agayise nga gakola. Kana akasajja katamala emirundi ke bali mu kugezaako okuyisaamu message anti buno obubloga bwammwe bwonna buzenga nga bwogera kati twabukuba buli hands down. Fe research kulumbuye n'ebikwata kulumbuye fe bitukwatirako wa mu struggle. Bitukwatirako waffe ng'abana Uganda. Abasomesa bali waka, abasomesa badda mu kulima, badda mu kwokya kasooli. Muli mutugamba idiocy. What kind of idiocy? Bantu bameka abafunye sente za nabbanja? Bantu bameka abafuna relief mu COVID yoli yawe eyagwa? Bantu bameka abafuna relief? And you're busy talking, but the government is going to look for you. Be careful. There is poison everywhere. What kind of nonsense? What is more than that? Chichechi singa that kind of level of idiocy. Please share. Chichechi singa that kind of idiocy. Muli wano mutunywerako buugi. Temujja kutunywerako buugi just because you've learned how to do public addressing. And you think that there are people out there who don't see these things and people don't come out with reason to speak reason. You're not the only youth in this generation that has been appointed. Njino Tamale Mirundi Junior, bwatogera ensonga z'abavubuka, ensonga z'abana Uganda, ensonga ze twagala okuyisa wote zigenda kuyitawo. Anti mwagala tudde ku social media, tugenda kudda ku social media and we shall have a reckoning sound. But the time it is time up for NUP bloggers and everyone who has not been speaking things, who has been saying things without reason. Kambabulire. Bana bameka bali mu makomera. Did they speak anything about the government? Bana bameka bafa. Did they speak anything about the government? Eno government oba oyogera oba toyogedde ofa oba ofuna ekizibu. So what are you talking about? Mulemedde okukola ku nsonga ez'Abannayuganda. You're busy giving us here. You've also started propaganda you yourself. Otandise propaganda. Kati fe history walumbu yatukwatirako. Mwamanyira kutiisatiisa. Kati fe history walumbu yatukwatirako amazima bw'otunulira history walumbu atukwatirako. You think that is the level of intellectualism you're going to use over social media to break down everybody and to make everybody look stupid, as if tetumanyi kigenda maaso, as if tetumanyi tetulaba kigenda maaso mu nsi yaffe. And you expect everyone to keep quiet and fold hands and to smile and to look at it and be that they're giving us a piece of cake to eat. No. Mwatujjako ama TV, mwatujjako ama radio, mwatujjako wonna, ne kuno mwagala kutugoba nedda bassebo. Tulina okwogera ensonga eziruma Abannayuganda, tulina okwogera ensonga ezituluma kubanga tuli Bannayuganda. Tetuli bagwira eyensi yaffe. Fo tubalonda, fo tubateeka mu ntebe. Tusasula omusolo, n'omusolo gwe tusasula tetulaba wajje gulaga. Nze omusolo gwensasula nsuubira okulaba nga abaana mu malwaliro bajjanjabibwa. Nsuubira okulaba nga ssaawa zino COVID relief. Mulina ministry of disaster preparedness. Kuva we twatandika okufuna COVID, this kind of disaster. Bannayuganda bameka abafunyeemu. That is the level and the kind of accountability we are looking for. We are not looking for your kind of propaganda to come and tear down everybody and bring idiocy all over social media. And you're trying to tell us that we are idiots. And you're trying to show us that you're doing things with reason. But yet in actual sense, you're the idiot yourself. Tamale mirundi wakkiriza okukozesebwa, wakkiriza okukyusakyusa ebigambo byo, wakkiriza okwogera amatankani, naye kankukakase mwana wa maama, kankukakase, let me tell you, I'm your fellow youth, kankukakase, katandika butandisi, we shall reply you in which way or the other. Oba Lumbuye tasobola kukureplyinga, we shall reply you, and Lumbuye doesn't need to reply you. Buli omu playing the part ye mu struggling. Everybody has played a part. But we shall not allow you put our efforts down the drainage. We shall not allow you put our efforts down the drainage. It's not that everybody who is silent doesn't know how to articulate issues and cut issues across and speak up. And talk about things that are affecting society n'ebintu ebiruma abantu. Muzenga nga muluka projects zammwe okukuba NUP hands down. But temujja kutukuba hands down. Temujja kutukuba. You said ntino basse ekibiina ky'omusajja, ekibiina kyani, NUP ekibiina kyani. Bakugamba nti NUP kibiina kya Bobi Wine. NUP kibiina ky'Abannayuganda abakkiririza mu nkyukakyuka abaagala eggwanga lyabwe. Oba NRM ya President Museveni, ffe tebitukwatako. NUP it's a national unity platform. Kibiina ky'Abannayuganda abaagala enkyukakyuka. Kibiina ky'Abannayuganda abaagala change. Kibiina ky'Abannayuganda ababelieving in a better future of Uganda. Mwatusuubiza nti no, you're going to save the future. This is how you guys are saving the future. This is how you guys are saving the future. Musobola okuvaayo ne mutugamba nti Ministry of Health erese cylinders bwezi. Musobola okutugamba nti no bunch eya COVID vaccine yine etuusa Abannayuganda bali mu kufuna COVID vaccines for free. Musobola okutugamba ntino kati we've devised the means nti abaana batandise okusoma omulembe guleme kufa. 2 years abaana tebasoma, abaana bali ku coaching, and you're busy telling us musa ekibiina ky'omusajja abaana ba NUP temubuuliriro. Kiki ky'oli mutubuulira kye tugaanye okuwuliriza? What are you trying to say? And what kind of point are you trying to cut across? Bakugamba nti NUP ya Bobi Wine. Bakugamba nti NUP ya Bobi Wine. Bakugamba nti NUP ya Bobi Wine. Bakugamba nti buli yalonda NUP yalonda kubanga yamanya nti no NUP ya Bobi Wine. NUP ya Abannayuganda. NUP ya abantu abakkiririza mu nkyukakyuka. Lwaki mutugamba nti no omusajja asse ekibiina ky'omusajja? What kind of information you guys are trying to put across? What kind of information are you trying to put across? What kind of information are you trying to put across? Tujja kubawuliriza bye mwogera ate tujja kubaanukula where necessary. Anti mugambye nti no, this is a battle of intellectualism. Ani abasinga okuvuma n'okuwemula kuno ku social media? Buli kikyamu kye mukola mukiteeka ku NUP. Buli propaganda gwe mutonda mukiteeka ku NUP. Buli lukwe lwe muluka muluteeka ku NUP. Mulowooza ffe okusirika tetubiraba? Kati muzze ku Lumbuye, you're focusing on Lumbuye. Why don't you focus on Ugandans? Why don't you focus on Ugandans? Why don't you focus on issues affecting Ugandans? Why is Lumbuye a very big issue and a very big threat to you guys? Why? Why don't you focus on issues affecting us? Why don't you focus on issues affecting us? Why don't you focus on issues affecting us? That is the question I'm asking. Focus on issues affecting us. Focus on issues affecting us. Stop focusing on issues that are irrelevant. Ebintu ebitagasa bannayuganda, stop focusing on issues that are not helping out Ugandans. We need to focus on issues that help Ugandans. Temujja kuveeri and you start focusing on things that don't develop Ugandans in any way. And you're busy telling us, idiot, nababulira, but this is the end of bloggers, NUP bloggers. Who? Let me ask, is blogging a job? Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job? And who gave anybody an invitation in Mbuno? Mbuno, now you can be a blog of NUP. Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job? Huh? Is blogging a job? Huh? Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job, if I may ask? Is blogging a job? Kulwaki mututa mumbere y'okwekyawa? Kulwaki mututa mumbere y'okwogera? Ne wetwandisirike, you're forcing us to speak. You're forcing us to speak. First of all, mu preaching the levels of tribalism. Nti n'omusoga bw'avaayo okwogera, omusoga tasobola kuvaayo okwogera in public. Mwatu painting ekifaananyi nti tuli basiru, titutegeera, tuli bawumba tutu. We are just there. And that is the kind of government, and that is the kind of Uganda, and these are the kinds of people you want to rule. You want to put us in a condition whereby tetusobola kwekyusa, tetusobola kwogera, buli omu akaabira mu kasaka. Buli omu atunuulira mu ntamu ye, nti nno yeno ye ntamu yange gye nina okutunuulira. You will not stop us to speak about issues that are affecting our country. You coming on social media and giving us, Mbuno, this is the history of Lumbuye. Mulumbuye, Olyawa Mama Teresa, you were once an ambassador of Ugandans in Turkey, you were once ABCD, Omuchala Wenabana. That is none of our business. That is none of our business. Our business is one. Our business is one. Kukolera bana Uganda. Our business is one. Mutukolere. Fe twagala kutukolera. Twagala mwamanyira ku threateninga. Mwamanyira ku threateninga. Wano Franka motoka ya polisi ya mutomera. Ngate mwavaayo kwogera. Wano Rita motoka ya polisi ya mutomera. Motoka ya mutomera temwavaayo kwogera. Abaana be mutadde mu makomera ekitalya because they support his excellence Robert Kyagulanyi. Tomoni, tobala, temwagala kubyogera. And you're busy telling us about Lumbuye. Who is Lumbuye to us? Who is Lumbuye? Fe family ya Lumbuye tukwatirako wa, abaana ba Lumbuye batukwatirako wa, n'ebikwata ku Lumbuye bitukwatirako wa. Mwe muba muwulira nti no Lumbuye byayogera bibamazeeko emirembe, mukyuse mu nkola. Nahe mulekerawo okujja ku social media, it is the end of NUP bloggers. Wacha maneno. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. There are very many young girls in society right now, in a period of 2 years. Or in a period of 2 years, abana mu myaka 16 bazadde baana bannaabwe. In a period of 2 years, just because abana batudde waka. In a period of 2 years. In a period of 2 years. mulemeddwa okusomesa abantu engeri gye basobola okweradicatinga poverty. You're busy muleeta ensigo ezitta ettaka, muleeta projects ne muzita, ne muleeta projects ne muziwamba, ne muzza abantu mu bwavu, and you're busy telling us now is the time, it's the end of bloggers in Uganda. How? Where are we going to talk about these issues? Where are we going to talk about these issues if everybody fears to talk about these issues? If I may ask, is Museveni the first president of Uganda? Was he the second president of Uganda? Or he was the third president of Uganda? Is the NRM the first political party to rule Uganda? Is it the first political party to rule Uganda? Or is it the second political party to rule Uganda? And where was it written in history that NRM is going to rule Uganda forever? Why don't you people sit down with reason and look at issues affecting Ugandans and work for Ugandans? Since you're stuck in that position and you feel you're entitled to Ugandans, what kind of level of intellectualism you want to talk about and you want to speak about? But now it is time for bloggers to begin talking about talking things when they have proof, when they have reason. What more proof do you want us to have? What more proof do you want us to have when the rate of mothers giving birth in hospitals dying is higher? What more proof do you want us to have? What more proof do you want us to have? Nga bwogenda mu parks enkulu e Kampala e Uganda muje muyita capital city park ejjudde ebinnya paka tekolebwako park eri upside down. What more proof do you want us to have? What more proof do you want us to have? Nga there are places in Uganda nga bwogenda mu byalo people are totally disconnected from the country. What kind of proof do you want us to have? Njino nekuba bwetonya nti omukoka guboga neguboga omukoka gubimba. What kind of proof do you want us to have? And you think we are going to just sit down and fold our hands and look at you people? Please share, follow and like. Now, it is all about speak and answer. Tugenda kubaddamu. For more information, as I speak this, NUP, siya Robert Kyagulanyi. NUP, yabana Uganda bagala ekyukakyuka. It is so embarrassing and painful okukulaba gw'omuvubuka mu myaka gyo ne mu ntegeerayo ne mu ndowoozaayo tuse muno musa ekibiina ky'omusajja. And you've been capitalizing on that. Kyawandikibwawo nti no NUP ya Bobi Wine. Bakugambye nti when time comes in tino kati NUP wants to represent a representative agenda okwesimbawo ku bwa president tugenda kuleetanga Bobi Wine. Kulwaki NRM temuletayo contender mulala for the last 35 years muleta Mwami Museveni? And if I'm to ask with due respect, ani yatandise olugambo tino His Excellency Museveni is dead. Ate ffe bitukwatirako waba Museveni mufu oba mulamu. Kuno ku nsi ani atagenda kufa? Why are you guys capitalizing ku kya Museveni okufa? Mutulaga ntino mulumiddwa nnyo. You're capitalizing ku kya Museveni okufa, you're capitalizing ku kyokubika kabaka, you're capitalizing ku kya Cipriano Lwanga. Kwabo bonna ani ali mayinja? Who is a stone who is not going to die? Kwabo bonna ani? Who is a stone who is not going to die? Fenna abatuzaala tebaliiwo. It's just a matter of time. When your time comes, you go. Fenna tuli bagenyi ku nsi kuno. When your time comes, you go. So stop capitalizing. Ntino Museveni mwogera ku Museveni noyogera ku bakatuliki. What kind of diversion are you trying to preach? And what kind of information are you trying to bring to Ugandans? And you think we are going to keep quiet and look at you and not answer you back? Sebo tugenda kukudda. Please share. Mundage nga musharing and they guide it. Please share. Please share. I've not yet seen Muhoozi and NTV tweet. Njaku Kebe. Please share. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Kyonna kye mugezaako okuyisaawo, kyonna kye mugezaako okupreaching, mufune we mukoma. Mugenda kutuza ku mukutu guno. Fesi eno yakatandika okubeera common this week on this page and active once again, just because when people keep quiet you think everybody is silent and everybody is not watching what is going on. UPC yafuga, UPC kati eriwa. Yakambuuze, is NUP the only political party in Uganda? Is it the only movement that says it wants change in Uganda? Why do you guys capitalize so much on NUP? Why are you capitalizing so much on us? Mubuno obupeji. Somewhere, mwa creating a page. Kubanga, mulina ebyammwe bye mwagala okuyisaawo. So you say, obupeji. Excuse us. Obama mwa creating a pages nga mulina ebyammwe bye mwagala okuyisaawo. Now let me tell you. Sabamu, we didn't create pages. I, for one, I don't have a page. Although I come as an admin on this page. For one reason. My intentions are pure and clear. Mani chenjagala. Nebwena gamba nchino, I'm supporting His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi in the 2021 elections. Nalinchi tegeeza era nalinchi mani. Ndi mukazi musoga. It is a very shameful thing for the government of Uganda okutandika creating cities in places that even don't qualify to be a city. Wavayo wafula idinda mbusite. Even Kampala itself is not at a level of a city. Look at the Kampala. Look at the planning of Kampala. Look at the planning of all our roads and our cities. Bulemereirwa okukolera iwanga. And you're busy trying okubisaawo ebyayimu. We shall not accept you. Abasharing the mwebale kusharing, ababaire kumwebale kubaako. Tujja kwira. But for now, let me end this video. For God and my country, the struggle continues. The struggle continues. We shall not sit back and watch. You're talking about intellectualism. Tujja kulwana paka. Tujja kulwana. Every government that comes in power uses propaganda. Even NRM itself has propagandists. Tamale Mirundi Junior ni baba o propagandist. Ate weno chi. He calls himself Mr. Future, Mr. Forwatera. Before something happens, yaba yafulumya ila akatabo. Imwe. I sign out for now.